Hi, friends! Welcome to the Coral Café, where everybody gets a share. I'm Marina.
And I'm Pinch, fastest claws on the whole reef.
And I'm Bubbles. I do the baking. Poof!
Today we're going to learn the magic word that helps everyone share fairly. That word is divide. To divide means to share equally, so everybody gets the same amount.
12 kelp cookies and 1, 2, 3 hungry seahorses. Oh no, how many does each one get?
Let's share them equally. 1 cookie for each friend, going around and around until they're all gone. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and again.
2 each, 3 each, 4 each, and the plate is empty.
We shared 12 cookies between 3 friends, and everybody got 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Nobody's left out. That's division.
I want to make pearl necklaces. Each necklace needs 2 pearls. How many can I make?
Let's put them in groups of 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 necklace, 2, 3, 4, 5 necklaces. 10 pearls in groups of 2 makes 5 groups. 10 divided by 2 equals 5.
"13 sea grapes, 4 hungry friends. Share them out, share them out. 1 each, 2 each, 3 each. Uh-oh, everybody has 3, but there's 1 grape left over.
When there's a little bit left that can't be shared equally, we call it the remainder. And at Coral Café, the remainder goes to the wishing clam. So 13 sea grapes shared between 4 friends is 3 each, with 1 left over. Make a wish.
Ta-da! I made 4 plates with 5 star shells on each. That's 4 groups of 5.
4 5s. Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20. Pinch made 20 star shells. That's 4 times 5 equals 20. Now let's share those 20 shells back onto the 4 plates. 5 on each. 20 divided by 4 equals 5.
You see, little ones? Multiplication puts equal groups together. Division shares them back apart. They are 2 halves of the same tide. Division undoes multiplication.
Let's remember what we learned today. Division means everybody gets a share. We shared cookies equally, we made groups of pearls, we met a remainder, and we found out division undoes multiplication. Thanks for sharing with us at the Coral Café. Come back soon, friends. And remember, when we share fair, there's enough for everyone. Bye!